Hello everyone, welcome to the class of Standard 5. Let's continue with the chapter number 3, How many squares, with the page number 44. Here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeter. So this is one rectangle and here it is of 20 square centimeter, 10 by 2. So 20 square centimeter is the area of this rectangle. Now three questions are given. We will solve these three questions one by one. First one is, draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal triangles. What is the area of each of the triangle? So here we can draw one straight line to divide this rectangle into two equal triangles. And then question is, what is the area of each of the triangles? Let's solve this question. Area of this triangle is half of this rectangle and the area of rectangle is 20 square centimeter and triangle is half of this rectangle. So 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10 square centimeter. Area of triangle is 10 square centimeter. Half of 20 is 10 square centimeter. Let's solve this question on the board. So here is the solution. Area of each triangle is half of big rectangle. That means here we have to divide area of rectangle by 2. So area of rectangle divided by 2 is equal to area of rectangle 20 square centimeter divided by 2. If we divide 20 by 2, we will get 10 square centimeter. So area of each triangle is 10 square centimeter. Here second question B is, draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal rectangles. What is the area of each of the smaller rectangles? Area of this rectangle is 20 square centimeter. We can draw one line in the middle to divide it into two equal parts. That means 10 square centimeter and second part is also of 10 square centimeter. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can draw here one line. So this rectangle can be divided into two equal parts and each equal part is of 10 square centimeter. What is the area of each of the smaller rectangle? Now here two smaller rectangles are there and the area of these two rectangles are 10 square centimeter. That means half of big rectangle is 10 square centimeter. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10 square centimeter. Let's solve this question on the whiteboard. So let's solve this question here. Area of each small rectangle is equal to area of rectangle, that means area of big rectangle divided by 2. So area of big rectangle is 20 square centimeter divided by 2 is equal to 10 square centimeter is the area of each small rectangle. Now next question is question number C. Draw two straight lines in these rectangles to divide it into one rectangle and two equal triangles. Before we have drawn one line to divide it into two equal triangles and to divide it into two equal rectangles. Now here question is, here draw two straight lines in this rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and two equal triangle. So how can we do this? First we will draw one line in the middle of this rectangle, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here one line we have drawn and now we want to draw second line to divide it into two equal triangles. So as we have done in the question number A, we can divide here also into equal triangles by drawing one line here. So we have drawn here two straight lines, one is here and second one is here. In this rectangle, in this big rectangle, to divide it into one rectangle and two equal triangles. One triangle is here and second triangle is here. Then question is, what is the area of the rectangle and what is the area of each of the triangle? So let's solve this questions on the board. So let's solve this question here. Area of small rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10 square centimeter is the area of small rectangle. So area of each triangle is equal to area of small rectangle, that is area of small rectangle is here we have found out 10 square centimeter. Divide by 2 is equal to 10 square centimeter divided by 2 is equal to 5 square centimeter is the area of each triangle. Page number 44. The topic is puzzles with 5 squares. Measure the side of a small square on the squared paper on page 45. So children, here you have to measure a small square with a scale, which is given on page number 45. Later we will see. Make as many shapes as possible using 5 such squares. So we have to make as many shapes as possible using 5 such squares as shown here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this other shape we can make by these 5 squares. So here 3 are already drawn for us. Like this we can draw other shapes. So here I have drawn 10 more shapes using 5 such squares of 1 square centimeter. And total 13 shapes are there. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we can draw 13 different shapes using 5 such squares. You can copy it down in your textbook and you can also make this type of shapes using 5 such squares in your textbook. Question A. How many different shapes can you draw? So as we have drawn 13 different shapes, answer is I can draw 13 different shapes using 5 such squares. Question B. Which shape has the longest perimeter? How much? So here we can see shape number 12 has the longest perimeter. Let's count the sum of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So 20 square centimeter is the area of shape number 12 and this is the longest perimeter of shape. So this shape has the longest perimeter. Now next question is which shape has the shortest perimeter? How much? Shape number 8 has the shortest perimeter. Let's count the sides. So perimeter is equal to sum of sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 square centimeter. This is shortest perimeter. So shape number 8 has the shortest perimeter. Now next question is what is the area of the shapes? That shape is given there and the area of that shape is 5 square centimeter.